Hello everyone, welcome to the NCERT Tantra channel. So today we'll study the mnemonics to learn sodium and potassium pump with the help of this video. So let's start the video. So the mnemonics to learn the sodium and potassium pump is a mobile brand which we have used in our childhood. So the trick to learn it is Nokia 321. Hope you all have used Nokia phones in your childhood. So the trick is Nokia 321 means 3 Na outside, 2 potassium inside, and the use of 1 ATP to regulate the sodium potassium pump. So thank you. Hope you like the trick. So please like, comment, share and subscribe for more tricks video.